Hi, Green Crypto Mining here. This is my concentrate liquidity pool that I am using for cash flowing some of my regular expenses during the week. And today I will show you when I claim my rewards. But before I go any further, the other me want to say some words.
Hi, Green Crypto here. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing to support the channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you.
Like I said, this is my concentrated liquidity pool that I'm using for cash flowing some of my expenses that I'm used during the week. The pool is wrapped USDC on base through Uniswap, and the aggregator I'm using is vfat. Very easy to use, both for increasing, rebalancing, withdrawing, compounding, harvest, and also you can auto claim and auto rebalance. But I would not recommend just that because we say you want to have some control when the market is going very much up and down. I have been in range for all the week. The week has been very volatile, so I have got very good reward this week. 78 bucks, almost 79. That is roughly 4.6% for the whole week. So very good for this week. I cannot complain. I will, when I claim my rewards, after that I claim it in USDC. After that I'm moving it over to my EtherFi account. Here I use my EtherFi card for my expenses then. On the EtherFi, I think right now I get roughly 6-7% on the stables and also 2% cashback on everything I spend. So in the end, I use it like my mini crypto bank. Very, can you say, easy to use and good. So let's start. I have a 15.6% range. My range is going from 1889 up to 2008. And like I said, this week has been very volatile. We have been down to roughly 1900 on it and up to like 2140, if I can remember right. So very, very much up and down. So I have been very happy to be able to stay in range for all that time. So now I will claim my rewards. So harvest, and I will take it in USDC. Slippage, I always set it to the lowest. You press harvest. Need to wait for it to you say calculate the root. Now my MetaMask is popping up, and I will confirm it. MetaMask. Oh, sorry. Need to lock up my ledger. Did forget that. So we try again. By an error. So MetaMask is popping up, and it's saying 78 on USDC. So I am losing a little to convert it over to USDC, but I am okay with that. And I will confirm on the ledger. We are waiting a little more. And the transaction is successful. Nice. So, and you can see I have claimed my rewards. So in the end, I did get 78 USDC that I now will transfer over to my EtherFi account so I can spend it or yield on it if I don't spend everything this week. So I can compile all my rewards into EtherFi and get some yield on it. So this is what I wanted to show you. Until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.